Hi again, friends. I'll show you in this video my payment proof from Shorten. We go to the channel. Okay, this is the channel. Here you see payment proofs, videos I'm making each week. Subscribe, please. And from here you can go easily to the Facebook page and to the website. I've made the website to look like a forum now. We go there. You can help out with payment proofs, cheating reports, scam reports, whatever you want. Just come here, you can freely register and participate. Now we go to shorten payment proof post here. It's from 3rd of April. Here it is. This is the date I made the withdrawal. This is the amount and the ending of my Bitcoin address. And this is the transaction details from blockchain.com. The ending of my address, the date and the amount. So they are sending the payments in a few days, as you can see. A few words. Shorten is right now is giving the highest rates, really, right now, at the time of making this video. And the owner of Shorten is the owner of cat file pay per download website. So if you have experience with cat file, then you know the owner. Okay, that's it. This is the forum. Again, come here, register, take a look. It has paper download website section, of course URL Shortener section, and general other topics section for news, for other discussions, and educational articles. You know, I like to make such an articles for our friends who are just starting in this business niche. This is it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.